As the world is battling the COVID catastrophe, the IT-ISM community too has been fighting the pandemic with a deterministic approach. Following all protocols, appropriate proactive measures have been taken by the administration, right from heavily promoting safety and hygiene on campus, social distancing, to establishing connect with our students through letters and counseling, to practicing empathy through social initiatives. IT-ISM has been embracing better ways of working in the new normal. Since the declaration of the nationwide lockdown, the director and his team has been closely monitoring the situation and strategically devising new ways of working.
When the going gets tough, the tough get caring. IT-ISM has been one well-knit, caring family which has been actively helping our students and the local community through various initiatives. I am very proud to state that IIT-ISM has donated rupees 1.1 crore to the PM CARES Fund, out of which more than 80% has been donated by ISM alumni. We have also undertaken several technology and community initiatives to help fellow residents of Dhanbad combat COVID-19. My colleagues will spell out the details.
Department of Chemistry of the Institute has been preparing hand rub sanitizer as per WHO guidelines and is being distributed among the residents of the campus and to the State Hospital, Pataliputra College and Hospital. Apart from this, the Institute has funded an ambitious project of Rs 25 lakhs for the development of cost-effective Remdesivir and two other potential drugs for treating COVID-19 patients to the faculty members of the Department of Chemistry. The Institute has also donated a refrigerated centrifuge for testing of COVID-19 to Pataliputra College and Hospital.
In COVID-19 pandemic situation, the use of triple layer mask and PPE kits are recommended by WHO to protect people from infection. We at Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT-ISM Dhanbad had developed a method to prepare a facile and durable superhydrophobic coating using silver nanoparticle. Superhydrophobicity is a phenomenon which shows that the water droplet does not stick to the surface at all and rolls off easily from it. The coated cloth exhibits the exceptional self-cleaning and stain-resistant properties, leading to the complete non-adherence of dirt, liquid droplets and stain, for example, food, rust and ink on the cloth surface. The coating is imbued with silver nanoparticle, which is proven antiviral agent. Therefore, it also exhibits the attachment of virus on its surface. Since silver is non-toxic in nature, so small amount of silver nanoparticle on the cloth surface will be human friendly. After scaling up of this technology at IIT-ISM Dhanbad, it will be available for general use.
Department of Mechanical Engineering has undertaken few projects to combat COVID-19 pandemic. In this regard, we have developed one adapter so that a single ventilator can be used by a number of patients with different configurations. So all the accessories have been given to the local hospital to try in the case of emergency. We are also developing a mechanized VVM system, which is basically a ventilator, and it can also be used in the case of emergency. This system is equipped with the IoT facility. We have developed a disinfectant tunnel and given to the local hospitals and banks. We are also developing a multi-purpose smart UVC sterilizer so that all our office accessories and belongings can be sterilized.
लॉकडाउन के प्रथम चरण की शुरुआत के साथ ही IIT-ISM का जो सामाजिक दायित्व था, उस सामाजिक दायित्व के तहत हमने कम्युनिटी किचन सर्विसेज चालू कर दिया। इस कम्युनिटी किचन सर्विसेज में 500 लोगों को के खाने की व्यवस्था की गई। उसके अलावा जो नीडी परिवार थे उनके लिए हमने ड्राई राशन का इंतज़ाम भी किया। जो रिक्शा पुलर, हमारे आसपास के रिक्शा पुलर्स थे और जो नीडी परिवार थे, उनका हम वीकली राशन बांटने का काम उनके लिए किया हमने। इसके अलावा हम लोगों ने CII के साथ मिलकर 386 परिवारों के लिए ड्राई राशन का इंतज़ाम किया और इसके तहत एक फूड बैंक बनाया गया जिसमें कि 21 कॉलोनी को शामिल किया गया। हम आस पास के वृद्धाश्रम कॉलोनी में भी गए। वृद्धाश्रम कॉलोनी में भी हमने उनके लिए समुचित अनाज की व्यवस्था किया। हमने जो यहाँ के और जो NGOs थे, लोकल NGOs जो थे, जो कि अपना कम्युनिटी किचन चला रहे थे, तो उनको भी हम जाके जो उनके अनाज की व्यवस्था करनी है, वो अनाज की व्यवस्था हमने की उनके लिए। फ्यूचर में भी हम लोग ये कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। इस कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज में हम अब स्कूलों में भी अप्रोच कर रहे हैं। जो हमारे एडॉप्टेड विलेजेज हैं IIT-ISM के, उस पर जितने भी स्कूल होंगे, उस स्कूल में हम समुचित शिक्षा व्यवस्था की योजना लेके आ रहे हैं, जिसमें हम जिला प्रशासन से सहयोग मांग रहे हैं। उनके लिए हम LED TV, सेट टॉप बॉक्स, ये सब का अरेंजमेंट करेंगे, जिससे कि वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा चलाया हुआ स्वयं प्रभा चैनल और अदर एजुकेशन चैनल जो है, वो उसको अपने स्कूल विद्यालय में सुचारू रूप से देख सकें।
The institute administration has put its best in promoting dialogues, fostering solidarity, and building a team for serving the needy in changing times. Sharing and caring are two magical words. When put into practice, the magic begins. Happiness multiplies.
In the end, I want to reiterate my gratitude to the entire IIT-ISM community, past and present, for coming together and scripting a new social order.
The old order changeth, yielding place to new. While our way to return to normalcy continues, we stand together, stay alert, and continue to engage in community service wholeheartedly.